Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have a new problem. Today we have a Leetcode problem. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. In this channel, we try to solve Leetcode problems and answer famous system design interview questions and JavaScript questions as well. Basically, this channel is give you a hint and give you idea on how to ace your software interviews. So if this something sounds interesting for you, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. Let's start into reading this one. So container with most water, you are given an integer array called height of length n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that the two endpoints of the ith line are I and 0, and I and height. Basically it's the length and the height of it. Find two lines that together with the x-axis from a container such that the container contains the most water. Return the maximum amount of water water container can score. Okay, so for example we have this example here. The maximum should be 49 because the above vertical lines are represented by this array. In the case, the max area water should be from in this blue area. In order to try to solve this problem, let's try to think about it. We could there is two ways that we can solve them. One is to use a two-pointer and another one is to use brute force. And in this video I will try to do the brute force only, and the next video I'll try to do the two-pointer solution. So let's try to work with the brute force. The brute force will be, I will go to each line and just to try to calculate all the available containers and the size of each available containers for each line. And I'll try to update I'll create a variable called like max area, and I'll try to update this max area with each container that is being bigger than the actual max area. So let's just start to see in the code. So I'll create a variable called let max area, and it will equal 0, and I'll create a for loop. Let I will call it left equals 0, left less than height dot length, and left plus plus. Okay, sorry. And I will say, okay, I'll make another for loop for let right will equals left plus 1, right, it's also should be smaller than height length, and right plus plus. And right now I'll try to do, I'll get the width first. If you want to get the width between these two, you will get the width between the indexes, because this is the indexes. So I'll let width, which will equals right minus left what okay. And I will say, okay, I will try to make I will let new area. Okay, I will just say the new area will equals So the new area here, just look at the two heights. We try to get the smallest height, the smallest, like let's see, we have this one and we have this one also. So we only calculate from the smallest height, because if we try to calculate from the biggest height, we will find that the water will overflow anyway. So we just first should find the smallest height. So I'll just make math.min height of left and height of right. Okay, and I will divide it by the width, so I'll get the amount of water could be fit in this container. And I will say, okay, max area will equals math.max, the actual max area and the new area, and I should return max area, and that's it. It's a pretty straightforward. Let's run this code. I guess if we run it, it will work, but I'm not that sure if I submit it, it will work. I guess if I submit it, I will get limited exceeded, right? Yeah, I'm getting it definitely limited exceed, because it's off n squared right now. Yeah, it's limited exceeded. We work with most of the solutions, but not all of them did work. So this, my first solution, which was the brute force solution. In the next video, we'll try to create a better solution, so it could be accepted in Leetcode. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you in future problems.